Ruhonge ruru rwa guthaitira airitu anyinyi aria maikaraga icagi-ini cia Mathare, Kibera na Kameme guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi rwambiriirie miaka 2 mithiru. Muoroto munene ari guteithiriria airitu aya na kumathara kumanagia na uhuthiri muru wa dawa ona kana uremi o wothe uria wonekaga icagi-ini ici ikinanio slums.
Actually, we still use the sport of rugby, but we use it to bring some social change in the life of the children of 5 big settlements in Nairobi, being Mathare, Kibera, some estates along Jogo Road in Eastlands, Kangemi, and lately also in Tatu City. What we are now trying to do, we are trying to teach values and life skills through the sport of rugby and through life skill camps that we organize for the children during the school holidays.
Vivian na Nyango na Mildred Akod ni arutwo marehariria gwika kiranio gia kirathi gia kanana thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa drive-in gicigo-ini kia Mathare Area 1 guku mucii-ini wa Nairobi. Kirafu giki marari hamwe na irafu ingi kuria maranyitirite mihingo ya gwetha njorua ya Mashujaa ikinanio Mashujaa tournament iria iratabanĩrio muthenya wa ira kiharo-ini kia Impala Grounds guku mucii-ini wa Nairobi. Hihi matanya ma nyarari ici na iroto ciao ni iriku?
Rugby imenifundisha mambo mob sana kwa life. Juu kama life skill imenipea a way ya kuishi. Juu tunafundishwa kama pia kutravel pia. Nimeona places mob. Saizi for example nimeletewa insha niandike about trip, naweza andika vizuri juu nimeona places mob, places yani siku imagine kuona nikiwa hivi mdogo.
Sasa sikuwa najua talent yangu ni gani, but kuna teacher mwingine hapa alikuja class yetu yo 6. Class 6 anaitwa Mrs. Lawyer, but alisha transfer. Yeye ndiye aliniintroduce kwa Bubezi Pride. Sasa vile alikuwa na continue kunini, ndio pia mimi nikasema acha tu nikuwe na hii talent na nikaona naweza cheza rugby. Lakini the more tuna practice, the more coaches wetu wanaona huyu anaweza cheza hata ka age ni lakini tunaweza cheza hadi wa leo achezea seniors.
Kocha munene uria ukoretwo na ikirafu giki kumarira kiaruguririo nake arari na uu wa kuga.
My name is Stefano too, and I started coaching Shamas 2 years ago. This is the second year, and since rugby is a game who had a lot of values, so my goal was to go into the ghetto and try and help those young ladies to take them away from all the bad things that can happen in the ghetto through rugby.
Mutithiriria wake niwe Ladi Mwoje atiganire wira wake niguo gutungatira airitu aya anini ena mwihoko ati iroto ciao na kiroto kiao meta ruhonge rwa Shamas na irikinyanira kahinda gatari kuraya.
My name is Randy Mwenje. I'm a coach with Shamas Rugby Foundation. I joined Shamas in the year 2014, and it was funny how I started getting involved with them. I'm a media practitioner. I was so much hardworking in what I do, and I told him that I'm ready to join them full time, and he was able to give me the green light. I can say it's been good. First, they've developed me personally as a coach because they were able to take me through the level 1 certificate course that is accredited by the International Rugby Board. So as I stand here, I'm fully certified by the IRB as a coach. And then not only me, but also a number of coaches have been helped to get the certification.
Niguo gutigirira ciana cia airitu tidigena thutha muthako-ini wa rugby, kiama kia muthako uyu guku bururi-ini nikio Kenya Rugby Union nikihariria tournament ici muthenya wa umuthi wa Mashujaa niguo gutigirira nyarari ici tidigena thutha. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV kuma guku kiharo-ini kia Impala Grounds kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.